Good afternoon, folks. John Richardson. I go by JR. They nicknamed me that 28 years ago right here at Guaranteed. Gonna show you a brand spanking new 2019 259 to be exact, bunkhouse. Double slide. You're looking for a trailer under 6,000 pounds. We got it. A couple things I want to point out. Fiberglass front cap. This is the ultralight, made to be pulled behind an SUV. All laminated. You know how we talk about fiberglass walls that are laminated? This has got fiberglass walls that are laminated. It's got a fiberglass cap to hold the whole structure together. It's got laminated floors. It's got laminated ceilings. Think of this thing as an 1.75 inch block foam box. Very low energy to keep it cool. Very low energy to keep it warm. So a couple things about this. Electric jack. Got a couple propane tanks we're going to fill up. You'll notice the aerodynamics on the front cap. This rope lighting here, that's all LED. Beautiful in the evening when you got your lights on. You can find, used to be, they'd be the only one in camp. Now there's enough of them out there. You'll see that it kind of looks like a fairy tale out in the forest when you got different trailers with all their lights. LED lighting on the front, LED lighting around the step, LED lighting on the awning. They're just really, really beautiful trailers. We've got storage. I won't bother opening it and telling you these are slam latch doors. You'll notice here we've got the ability to put solar on it should you have the mindset that you'd like to stay out in the woods for a couple of weeks and still have batteries. Magnetic latches to hold your compartment doors. Electric awning, push a button, out and in. Very nice. Adjustable settings on it so that you can adjust the pitch on the awning. Fold out grab handle. Gear drive slide out. Notice we got one on the top, one on the bottom. Not a cable drive, a gear drive. There's a wheel with teeth on it. Opens this so it can never ever get out of kilter. Very, very nice. You'll notice that this is a foot wide slide, but when you put that along with your bigger slide on the other side opposite, you take a 8 foot or a 7.5 foot trailer and you suddenly make it 10 and 12 feet wide. We're going to show you that. One other thing I want to talk about before we go inside. Only two companies do this. This is Asdel. This eliminates the challenges of delamination. Asdel is a man-made product that this fiberglass skin is bonded to. Only one other company that uses this. That's the Lance. I'm not talking about Lance, but Lance starts at about $40,000. This, for a 259, probably a little less than that. Let's go inside. Weighs under 6, like I told you. This is what Mama likes. She likes to have storage in the kitchen. So we've got stove, oven, lots and lots of storage. And she's kind of separated, assuming she's doing the cooking. Most of the time, the women are very good cooks, and us guys, we're watching the kids, that type of thing. So you've got a galley faucet, pull out here, a nice big double sink, storage underneath this center island, storage underneath your countertop, drawers above, pull out drawers, microwave that's not up at the top of the trailer, right here. Nobody has to reach up to get hot food out of it. This is the slide out counter space, hood fan, more storage above it. Refrigerator right here. Refrigerator, freezer. These trailers come with a 1-year bumper to bumper warranty. Like I said, made by Coachmen. You've got a nice big U-shaped booth here. We've got it down into a bed area, but that's the game room, if you will. Notice that we've got doors for storage underneath it. so you can cram games and stuff here. We've got a nice big closet right next to it, and we have one below it and another door right here, which is actually fairly deep. So if you got some games, you know, backgammon boards, cribbage boards, that type of thing, maybe a handful of dice, very, very nice. Notice 2 nice big bunk beds. Will support that top one 300 pounds. I'm safe to get into that. Not that I would. If I'm buying the trailer, I get to sleep on the front bed that I haven't showed you yet. So we got 2 3/4 bunk beds, air duct right above it. Notice they even put a little electrical outlet over here in the front corner with a shelf, so the kids can put their MP3 players, that type of thing. Okay, right next to that, you got a very, very adequate bathroom, complete with a door to the outside. So frankly, kids don't have to come through the main part of the house. You can shut this door. In my case, probably put a locking handle on here. Kids can't come into here. They can come in, use the bathroom, that type of thing. Because I'm sleeping in the front end with my lovely wife, and we're going to go up here and I'll show you what we're talking about here. So here we've got a queen size bed, storage above it, storage beside it, and last but not least, before we get out of here, you'll notice we got air conditioning duct here, got a vent here, we got lights. We also have the ability, if we've got a TV, to flip the TV around, use it in the daytime. Out here at night, we flip it around and we watch it while the kids are sleeping. Folks, if you got any other questions about it, please feel free to ask for me. I'm JR, the Harley guy. They call me a whole bunch of things. My number's down there at the bottom. You got any questions, or better yet, just come on out and let me show you. We've got 400 units, new and pre-owned. Love to show you what we have and earn your business. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch the video.